dear students, welcome you all in the course of expository writing. I am Senior Lecturer Department of English, Guwahati University of Science and Technology, West Guwahati. So in today's class we are learning the definitional aspects of expository writing. Like we will be defining what is expository writing, what are the purposes of expository writing, and what are the different essentials of expository writing. As we know that language is a skill. We are using language as a skill to make other skills possible. We are having 4 sub-skills of language, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing. This is the natural order of learning these 4 skills of language. Firstly, we are listening to others. For example, a child listens to his or her mother, then he or she starts speaking, then comes reading, then comes writing. Writing competence. We are gaining writing competence with the help of experience, with the help of schooling, we are attending classes. So writing is a very mature stage of schooling. Writing comes through experience. Writing comes through reading. Extensive reading is needed for writing. For example, for listening, for speaking, we need listening. Listening is prerequisite for speaking. Likewise, reading is prerequisite for writing. So before going to discuss expository writing, firstly, what is writing? Writing is a form of human communication by means of a set of visible marks. So writing is an activity of composition. Writing means composition, to compose something with the help of symbols, with the help of signs, words, marks. So writing is a system of signs. We are using different signs, different symbols, words will be used to write something, to compose something. We are having different types of writing, like expository writing, that is the very course we are studying on expository writing. Descriptive writing, we are having persuasive writing, and we are having narrative writing. These are the major types of writing. Now, what is expository writing? Dear students, expository writing explains, describes or informs the reader. With the help of expository writing, a writer, he or she can explain, can describe or inform the readers. So, we are writing for others. So please keep in mind that what is the level of the readers, what is the experience of the readers, what is the nationality or other aspects of the readers. So consider readers whenever you are having writing activity. Why? Because we are writing for them, for readers, in order to inform them, we are describing things for them. So we are using facts, evidences or logic, reasons in expository writing. Expository writing also aims to clarify ideas and increase understanding of the readers regarding issues, regarding problems, regarding phenomena, regarding different ideas or concepts will be explained to them with the help of writing. We are having writing and different expository writing, especially in different forms, in different styles we are having. For example, in essays, we are having expository writing. We can write expository essays. In textbooks, we are having expository writing. We are having manuals. Or when we want to prepare reports, so then we need expository writing skills. Expository writing competence is needed to the writers. Students, now the general definition of expository writing: a structured and coherent form of writing. Well structured, there will be coherent cohesion, coherence, lexical ties will be used by the writers whenever we are having the activity of expository writing. Because expository writing presents information, ideas or explanations logically, coherently, logically means like in a very logical way, things will be explained to the readers. There are different purposes of expository writing. Sometimes we want to persuade the readers, to inform them, to explain something for them. In order to answer key questions, that is the main purpose of expository writing. For example, if you want to answer questions, like what questions, what is, we will be defining things, or how or why questions. For example, if someone is asking that what is language, how it works, or what are the functions or purposes of language, why language is used, so then we can explain to them with the help of expository writing. Commonly, it is used in academic and professional communication. In professional life, we are using, in academic domain, we are using expository writing. When we are having examinations, exam papers, when we are writing theses, articles, research articles and theses, for publication purpose, we need expository writing. Because expository writing is based on facts and figures, mostly we are using reasons, not opinions. Now the academic definition of expository writing. Expository writing is a genre or a type of writing that describes, explains, or investigates an idea with the help of reasons. So that this process of expository writing will be followed in order to inform the subject, the readers, regarding the phenomena, regarding that investigation. For example, if you are conducting research on a particular topic, then you need expository writing, because research is investigation, research is explanation or elaboration of the problem or issues. Expository writing has a clear thesis statement. Thesis statement means the basic, the core idea that will be explained with the help of expository writing. Students, we are having paragraphs. In paragraph, we are having main idea. There are different types or essentials or aspects of paragraph. The first one, that is introduction, then comes body, then comes conclusion of a paragraph. So in each and every paragraph, we are having main theme, main topic sentence when we are in a paragraph. Likewise, we are having thesis statement in expository writing. Expository writing will be supported by the sound reasoning and credible evidence or evidences. Key features of expository writing. As we have explained that expository writing will be based on facts and figures. We are not taking into consideration opinions mostly when we are having expository writing. Clarity and very briefly we are explaining things. Clarity, concise and precise language, clear language will be used in expository writing. Logical structure, cohesion and coherence, there will be proper introduction in expository writing, then comes body of expository writing, then comes conclusion of expository writing. For example, in introduction, we will be introducing the phenomena, we will be introducing the problem. The problem statement will be displayed to the readers. That is the proper introduction. Then comes body of the expository writing. So in body, we can include examples, further elaboration or explanation will be included in the body part of the expository writing. Then comes conclusion. So there will be cohesion and coherence among or between the paragraphs of introduction, introductory paragraph of expository writing, body and logical conclusion. We are using facts, examples and definitions in order to elaborate the problem in detail. Objective tone will be used, no personal opinions mostly we are using in expository writing. Yes, will be based on reasonings, will be based on reasons, arguments, rationale will be there, like examples, through like definitions or through citations, through references from books, from different articles, from different like journals or magazines or newspapers. We will be having some citations, some references will be there in expository writing in order to make our expository writing more formal, more authentic, reliable, reason-based. Structure of an expository writing. Yes, we have studied that there will be proper introduction of expository writing in order to present the topic in thesis statement. Yes, in introductory part of the expository writing, there will be inclusion of thesis statement. Thesis statement means the difference in expository writing that the main idea, the crux, the main idea of the goal or the objective of the expository writing. Then comes body paragraphs. Each paragraph covers one idea, one main idea will be covered in each paragraph. To use facts, data, like numerical data will be included, statistics will be included in expository writing, examples will be provided in order to have reliability of the information, in order to persuade the readers, to inform them in detail. Then comes conclusions, like there will be logical connection or relation, electronic relation will be there among or between these different parts of expository writing, that is introduction, body paragraphs and conclusions. So relates the thesis statement and summarize key points while having expository writing conclusion. When you are concluding, so you should repeat briefly the introduction, then the examples and provide summary of the findings or the main details, key points. Purposes, like students, whenever we are having a writing activity, whenever we are composing something, we are having purpose in mind. Purpose is very important. Like some anticipation question will be there at the start of expository writing. Questions will be there, like you will be answering some questions. So please ask yourself some questions, like what is the purpose of my writing? Why I am going to write? Like who are the participants or the readers? What is their level of education? What is their level of experience? What is their likeness and dislikeness? These all things are important. Like you should take into consideration their stances, their purposes, the reader's purposes. Okay, so your writing will be purpose oriented, readers oriented, readership. Yes, is important for expository writing. So purpose is the goal or way piece of writing. Yes, purpose is the goal or aim of expository writing. The main goal will be the purpose. Okay, make your writing purpose oriented. To express oneself, yes, we can express our thoughts, our ideas, feelings, emotions, passions will be expressed with the help of writing. To persuade others, to provide information to the readers, to create a literary work, yes, the creation, recreation. Like students, when we are writing, we are creating something, we are creating image with the help of words, with the help of like pictures will be used. Mental picture will be created in the minds of the readers with the help of writing. These are the four main purposes of writing. On the basis of these purposes, writers, they are trying to write for the readers. So when someone communicates ideas in writing, they usually do so to express themselves, to inform others, to inform the readers, the audience, the students, to persuade them. Yes, so that's why for persuasion purpose, in order to persuade them, to convince others, we need facts and figures, we need reasons, we need arguments. All these things will very smooth manner with the help of writing. So that writing will be called expository writing. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.